Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS3501, Compiler Design, Unit 1, Topic Lex. A lex source program is a requirement of a lexical analyzer consisting of a set of regular expressions together with an action for each regular expression. Here the action is a part of the code which is to be executed when a token specified by the equivalent regular expression is recognized. It is a tool generally used to specify lexical analysis for a variety of languages. Lex tool require a Lex compiler. Specification for the Lex tool is the Lex language using a scanner generator Lex. It is a lexical analyzer generator developed by Lesk and Smitted of AT&T Bell Lab, written in C, running under Unix. Lex produces an entire scanner module that can be compiled and linked with other compiler modules. Lex associates regular expressions with arbitrary code fragments. When an expression is matched, the code segment is executed. A typical Lex program contains three sections separated by %% delimiters. Role of Lex. Here we have, first you are going to write one source program in the Lex. During the compilation, the file name is changed as lex.yy.c. After that, C compiler, your file name is changed as a.out, that is your object file. After that, the object file is run, then you will get the sequence of token. Creating a Lex analyzer with Lex or specification of Lex. Here is this. It consists of three parts: auxiliary declarations, regular definitions, translation rules. First, we are going to see the declaration section. It includes declaration of variables, manifest, constants. That means a manifest constant is an identifier that is declared to represent a constant, for example, hash defined by 3.14. The files to be included and definitions of regular expressions. Next, we are going to see the transition rules section. The transition rules of a Lex program are statements, for example, P1 action 1, P2 action 2, P3 action 3, up to Pn, where each P1 is a regular expression called a pattern over the alphabet consisting of sigma and the auxiliary definition names. These patterns describe the form of the tokens. Each action 1 is a program fragment describing what action the lexical analyzer should take when token P is found. The actions are written in a conventional programming language rather than any particular language. We use pseudo language. To create the lexical analyzer L, each of the actions must be compiled into machine code. Auxiliary procedures. The third section holds whatever auxiliary procedures are needed by the actions. Alternatively, these procedures can be compiled separately and loaded with the lexical analyzer. The auxiliary procedures are written in C language. That means letter A to Z, digit means 0 to 9. How does this lexical analyzer work? The lexical analyzer created by Lex behaves in concert with a parser in the following manner. When activated by the parser, the lexical analyzer begins reading its remaining input one character at a time until it has found the longest prefix of the input that is matched by one of the regular expressions P. Then it executes the corresponding action. Typically, the action will return the control to the parser. However, if it does not, then the lexical analyzer proceeds to find more lexemes until an action causes control to return to the parser. The repeated search for lexemes until an explicit return allows the lexical analyzer to process whitespace and commands conventionally. The lexical analyzer returns a single quantity, the token, to the parser. To pass an attribute value with the information about the lexeme, we can set the global value YYLVAL. Lex actions. YYTEXT means it's a variable that is a pointer to the first character of the lexeme. YYWrap means it is called when lexical analyzer reach end of the file. It returns then lexical analyzer continues scanning. When YYWrap return 1 means it is the end of file is encountered. YYLength means it is an integer telling how long the lexeme is. YYIN, it is used to read the source program file and then stored in YYIN. This is the sample Lex programs. From this Lex programs, first you have to enter the declaration section. Next, in the transition, you are going to make the printf statement. In the auxiliary procedures, what are the statement you want to read, you can mention that. Then for the output you are getting, enter some strings. Here I mentioned the string name is Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. You will get the output as RECT. Thank you.